Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download multiple songs at once in Apple Music. So for you to be able to download multiple songs at once is how you can get it done. Open your Apple Music app on your phone, then you tap on your library, you tap on the library, then from here then you tap on this option, playlist, tap on playlist option, then right here you create a new playlist. So then you had a playlist name, so I'm just going to put in test. Then if you don't want this playlist to show on your profile, you don't want it to appear on your profile, you can just turn this off. Then after that, then you tap on this option, which is add music. You tap on this option, add music. Then from here, then you tap on library. From here you tap on songs. Then all these songs you can simply add them to your playlist. Tap this. Once you are done marking, then you tap on done. You can see these are the list of it. Then also you tap on done. Then you open your playlist. Then you tap on this three dots. You can see then. Okay, good. Then from here now you can now tap on this download button. And now tap on this download button. Then once you tap on this download button, all the songs you've added to your playlist will be automatically downloaded. So this is how you can download multiple songs, because all the songs you add to your playlist are there. Then you can just download them automatically, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.